Where in nature do you see the divine feminine?
I love that question. When I was hiking Antelope Canyon in the States, she's so beautiful, and I entered her, and I just saw her in the walls, and she guided us through her valley. It was so beautiful. That image has never left me. Also see her in trees, in the holes that the elders have spoken to us about, speaking to the tree when we're needing to leave a secret or something like that. And in a film recently, in the ruins of some of the countries, there was a man who needed to leave a secret. And there was a monk sitting on top of the building, watching this man look around, going, huh? And then he went and left it at that. Not long afterwards, the grass blossomed from that hole. So I see nature everywhere, in caves, in volcanoes that I've walked into. I see it, the divine, within the skulls of dead animals, in the ribs of dead animals, and in the bones of the marrow. I see her there.